Assalamu alaikum, and today we will learn that how we can generate groups in Microsoft Outlook. Microsoft Outlook will help us to create a number of people in one group, and we can send a common email to everyone in a same time, and it will save lot of our time. So that is the easiest way, that if you have a common email which you need to send a many of the people, you will create a group. So if you are on first time on our channel, so please subscribe it and press the bell notification so you are keep connected with us. So let's start our session. So first of all, you need to click on the group icon over here on the left side below. You will click on it. Now this window has been open for you. Now we need to create a new group. We need to click on new contact. First of all, we need to give the name of that group. I am giving it production team. Now I need to add the members in the group. So there is an option available, add members, and if you will click on it, there is a 3 options further available for you from your Outlook contact, from your address bar, or new email contact. You can select any of them where you want to add your members. Right now I am selecting from Outlook contact. So these are the contacts which I have in my Outlook. I will click on this first one and then click on members and click on OK. You can see the member have been added in my production team. If you want to add multiple email address in one go and save your time, what you need to do is once again click on add members from Outlook contacts and select the contents by shift arrow key down, which you need to add it, and then click members. Now you can see all the 4 members have been added in my member box. Now I will click on OK. Now here it is, the team have been made. If you want to delete any particular member, what you need to do is you need to just click on the particular member and you can remove it from over here. When your group have been made and ready for it, you can press the save and close button. Now you can see production team have been made it. Then I will go to my inbox and I will press new emails and then I will type production. You can see the production team have been available and I will click on it. Then the whole of the production team have been available for us to see that the members is already added. If you need to confirm it that all the members are added in the production team, you just click on this plus button and click OK. Now you can see all the email address is in front of you. You can type your common message and send the email to everyone in one go. I hope that you will like this session. So please like the session and thank you.